Alright. Hey guys, this time I'm going to show you how to charge a system. A ice machine, this is for Manitowoc. It's an ice machine that it actually had a little bit of air, so we had to recover all the freon. So now we're going to have to charge it back again. It's only 15 ounces, so it's really close to 1 pound. We're just going to put 1 pound, 1 ounce more, just to kind of compensate the hoses and the connection. Alright? So we already did the vacuum. The system is on a vacuum. The low side is a 29.82 inches of mercury. The high side is actually 0. So right now we're going to use this vacuum in order for the refrigerant to put in. Now this is a 404A refrigerant, so it's a blend. So you have to charge it as liquid. It has to be as liquid. So you got to put it upside down. Before we put it upside down, we can actually make the connection that you can show in the video. Connect your hoses, the yellow hose, service hose into the tank. This is going to be a little problem because see how it's standing out? We're going to have to put it on the side somehow. That'll be a little problem. I think we can make it with that, I think. Remember I told you I hate those quick connections?
Yeah.
This is one of the problems. All right, now that we got a good connection, we can open the tank. You open the tank first. Then get the scale close, so we don't want the hose to be like stretch. Get the scale close to the gauges. Bring the tank upside down. See how the hose is stretched? Get it closer. Put the whole tank and the hose on top of the scale. Make sure there's no any more movements. And press, before you press 0, we have to purge it. 2-second purge. You see that cloud? That's actually liquid. Okay, that's okay. You can do a purge. Make sure everything's tight. Now, make sure nothing moves. And then we press 0 on the scale. You can get close with camera. Right there, 0. Cool? Right there. So now everything's 0. Now we're going to add 1 pound.
You got to purge the other one?
Not the other ones, because the high side and the low side, it's already being vacuumed. Right now, they're both of them in negative pressure, in inches of mercury. So we don't have to purge it. Okay? Ready? So now we gotta open, since we charging liquid into the system, now we just gotta open the high side. Don't open the low side, right? We can open the high side, so the liquid refrigerant is going from the yellow hose into the red hose, into the system, and it's gonna go to the condenser. Ready? So here we go. 1 pound. And open. Try to not make any movements. You can see how with the video, the numbers actually going higher. That's 5-6 ounces. It's going pretty fast. All the way to 1 pound.
You got to get that light out.
It's making a reflection. It's 10 ounces right there. When it's getting close to 15, that's when we're gonna get ready to close the valve. 12, 13, 14, 15, and 1 pound. All right, so that's not bad. That's 1 pound and 1 ounce. All right, so that should be 1 pound. All right, very good. So that should be the complete charge. Just to kind of compensate, 1 ounce to compensate when I disconnect the hoses and see what happens, right? Where did we find the charge of the system? In the back, there's a plate in the back that tells you the full charge of the unit. So we're done.